This program that we offer, Chris and I, was started just, I would say, in the last year and a half, and it was in an effort to raise awareness about therapy dogs, comfort dogs, and service dogs in our community, the differences, the benefits that therapy dogs have in treatment programs. I think that our community, as well as other communities, could benefit from the addition of more therapy dogs. We know for a fact that therapy dogs open dialogue, they break down barriers, they start communication, they get people talking. They have so many benefits to offer in the community. And right now we're in a time where we really need those added benefits. The dogs dealing with young adults who are in treatment for chemical dependency and addiction, quite often by the time they get there has been a shutdown of all dialogue. Families just aren't talking. And kids in treatment, the dogs help open up those, break down those barriers and open up dialogue and get people talking. So my reason for doing this is to educate more people about the benefits of therapy dogs in the community in hopes that more kids will get involved and start to make animal-assisted therapy part of their social work degree or their counseling degree or their teaching degree and bring more dogs into our community. It is so widespread. You can't pick one thing because every situation is different. In our presentations, we touch so many people as far as, just raising awareness, educating people to what Western New York Heroes is doing for our local veterans, placing dogs with veterans who so desperately need them, educating people about the prescription drug epidemic, bringing one person into, the therapy dog world who is now taking their dog out and spending time with people in treatment facilities, assisted living facilities, nursing homes. Quite often, people in nursing homes and assisted living facilities have the same four walls every day. 1 hour a month can change their life just by walking in the door with a therapy dog. So there's so many different benefits, to pinpoint one would be near impossible.
Rescue dogs from local dog rescue shelters or the SPCA, and then fund to have the dogs trained and paired up with local combat veterans in Western New York, so that it kind of brings a different need to what the veterans are returning back home and in need of. In October of 2013, the government cut out all funding for service dogs for veterans, and then my organization, Western New York Heroes, created a program, Positive for Heroes, to be able to pick up where the government left off and continue giving service dogs to veterans. Your veterans today are returning back home with TBI, traumatic brain injury, or post-traumatic stress disorder, where they're dealing with high anxiety, hypervigilance, nightmares, so on and so forth. And with the studies that have been done, the dogs kind of bring all that down a lot and allow the veterans to live a more productive life. You have some combat veterans who return back home and are afraid of going out into the community into large crowds, and having a service dog with them allows them to now do that again. Everybody who sponsors a dog will get their name on the dog, so that everywhere the dog goes, everyone in the community will see their name and logo as a partner to Western New York Heroes.